So I was thinking to do a video of drawing. So as you can see, I got color pencils and I also got washable markers. Alright, let's open this thing up. The first thing I'm going to draw is a dog. So I like to use color pencils. So the first color I'm going to use is brown. If you want to follow along, grab a brown pencil. So first, you draw a circle. Second, you draw these two little oval things like that. Second, you draw the body. So you do that, and then you do this. And then you draw a little circle, half circle, and then go over here and draw an oval. And there. Draw the other side. And now for the eyes. You can draw patterns around it if you want. I'm gonna draw a star. Then you could draw the eye in it. Alright, so I'm doing the eyes. You draw two little circles like that. And then you draw black around it. I'm just using brown. And then for the nose and mouth, you draw upside down hearts, and then you draw these two little curvy things, and then you can draw the other eye. Do the same way. You can draw another pattern around it. I'm doing a circle. So now you can draw a leash if you want. You draw a line right there, and then you draw a circle or a heart, any shape you want, and then you can write its name on it. And that's going to be the color. So now that you drawed your dog, you can color it in. I'm going to color my dog in with color markers, but you can color your dog in with anything you want to. Go. So I opened my markers up, and you can use any color you want for the dog. I'm gonna use light brown. Now, the second part, I'm gonna draw the star around the eye magenta, because I think that would look really cute. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Guys, if you think this is looking cute, give me a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, he's gonna be so cute. What should I name him? If you have an idea, leave me a comment. I'm going to use black so it won't show, so the color of brown won't blend it in with the other brown. I'm all finished. Doesn't it look cute? Now, just so you could tell the eyes and stuff, I'm gonna use black and trace the outline. have a dog. Doesn't it look cute? Now let's see.
Go.
As you can see, I finished my dog, but I kind of want to add some stuff to it. So I think I'm gonna add a rug that's purple. And here you have it, a rug, a ball, and a dog, and a squishy toy that squeaks. So that's how you draw a dog. I really like it because I think it looks really cute, and I just really like dogs and cats. So do you have any idea what we should name him or her? And thanks for watching. Bye!